Español 1, capítulo 6B, ¿Cómo es tu casa? Lección 2, mandatos informales y afirmativos. Alright, so we're talking about commands. In Spanish it's called mandatos o el imperativo, an imperative. So, really, you're going to get a lot more into commands when you get into Esp1 2. And if you remember all the way back to capítulo para empezar, capítulo para empezar, one of the first things you learned was this command form. Abre el libro a la página 52. Saca la tarea. Copia todo, etc. You know, those are commands. Well, now I'm giving you a formal name for them. Now, the command is telling, sometimes politely, sometimes not, what to do. If you're in the army, not very polite. If you're in my classroom, hopefully, it's a polite nudge towards what I want you to do. Dar instrucciones, informar a las personas que tienen que hacer, that's mandatos. Essentially, you're putting exclamation around the el, ella, usted form of the simple present, which is the only conjugation y'all know until the next lesson. Okay, conjugation of the verb. So, then you formed your informal affirmative to command. So, the exclamations, they're not required. So yes, I've just read this to you. Hopefully, as you listen to me, you're also copying. Now let's go to some ejemplos. ¿Estamos en los ejemplos? Sí, okay. Verbos regulares, verbo AR, hablar. What do I always tell you all in class? Habla. Habla español. Por favor. Habla español. Habla español. Okay? Escribe. I tell you this a lot. Escribe todo. Escribe. En español, por supuesto. And then what does mommy tell you at home? Come tus verduras. Come todos tus verduras, etc. Now, here's my mandato con exclamaciones. Copia todo. Oh, you already did? Well, then we'll move on to los irregulares. Now, this is really cool. There are some commands where you can't just put, for example, venir. You can't say viene. Okay? If I want somebody over here, I say ven aquí, por favor. Ven a la escuela. Ven a mi casa. No, por favor, no vengan a mi casa. Ugh, no, I don't think y'all want to do that. No, I don't want you to. Okay, ven, di, from the verb decir, sal, de salir, haz, de hacer, ten, de tener, ve, de ir, pon, de poner, sé, de ser. So as far as quehaceres, the more common ones would be haz la cama and pon la mesa. But wait, what does it say right here? Is it on? Focus on this. What does it say right here? It says, this becomes a statement about movie star Vin Diesel. You all probably know him from The Fast and the Furious. I know him more from The Tales of Riddick. If you say it quickly in the order I've provided with a Canadian accent, it's about, let's try that again. Canadian accent, Vin Diesel. Let's see. What could this possibly say about Vin Diesel as din weapons, eh? Vin Diesel as din weapons, eh? Yeah, not so. Anyway, that's a great way to remember it, okay? Vin Diesel as din weapons, eh? And then you've remembered your irregulars. Ooh, that's pretty clever. I wish I had thought of that. Well, I did think about the Canadian twist part, because it's really Vin Diesel as den weapons. But then you don't get the say in there. So, Vin Diesel as den weapons, eh? Just as you're remembering that, remember it's as in Spanish, not has. Okay? Vin Diesel as den weapons, eh? You can turn it off anytime. I'm just going to keep saying it. Vin Diesel as